Hey everyone, Cameron here at Letta. Anthropic today released Claude Haiku 4.5, which is their newest, smallest model. It's been almost a year since we got our last Haiku release, and it's a very good model according to their write-up and benchmarks. It's a third of the cost of Sonnet, which is not saying much. Sonnet is very expensive. It's $1 per million input tokens and $5 per million output tokens, and it's currently the cheapest model you can get from Anthropic. It matches Claude Sonnet 4's performance from about 5 months ago, which was a very good model at the time. Haiku also has an extended thinking mode for harder problems, which can be really valuable in coding tasks. It's also good at computer use, so if you use something like Claude for Chrome, you may start seeing some additional benefits in using Haiku. Haiku should be faster for most of your use cases, but I wasn't really able to find kind of like good numbers about how much faster. I've seen estimates between 2 times faster than Sonnet and 4 to 5 times faster than Sonnet. If you are currently a Sonnet 4.5 user, you should consider using Haiku 4.5 when you have simpler coding tasks, such as implementation things where you just need to move a bunch of stuff around. If you don't want to spend a bunch of money, if you need something to happen fast, like if you're in a customer support type role, or if you're running big multi-agent systems and you need lots of smaller specialized agents. You should stick with Sonnet if you have harder problems, so things like complicated coding tasks that may require planning or a lot of reasoning. Just kind of any situation where you might normally use a frontier model, right? Switch to Haiku when you need something cheap and fast. Since Haiku is now available inside of Letta Cloud, I figured I'd give you a short overview of what it looks like, how to select it, and a few things you can do with it. I've logged into Letta Cloud, so I'm going to go create a new agent. Agents here, top right, create a new agent. I'm going to select Start from Scratch. Because this is an Anthropic model, it's probably pretty good at using this memory omni tool that we just implemented. There is a video about this on our channel, which you should go look at. So I'm going to attach this. Base tools, memory is right there, attach tool to agent. Go back to agent settings up here, and then we're going to change the model here to Claude Haiku 4.5. So for those of you who don't know, Simon Willison has this test that he runs whenever he works on a new model, where he asks the model to generate an SVG, which is an image format of a pelican riding a bicycle. And we can see here that our agent executed the memory tool, and it put a bunch of stuff in there. And we can see inside of the memory block it has all of this content here. And I'm going to go to this SVG viewer, and over here we can see the pelican generated by Haiku. There we go. And all that it did is our agent wrote it to a memory block here. Let's ask it to edit it a little bit. Wow, that was quick. All right, let's see. I can't see the pelican's hat. Wow, that's fast. Okay. Boom, we got a nice little hat there. All right, cool. Awesome. Now we have our pelican. And special thanks to Simon Willison for this test. Every time you see a new model, Simon Willison will typically put out a pelican. So this is our example of how to draw a pelican inside of Letta using Haiku 4.5. So go ahead and give Haiku 4.5 a try. I think it's a great model. I've had fun so far. I'm interested in seeing how people use Haiku in multi-agent systems in Letta. Anthropic made it a point to reference how they were using Sonnet to orchestrate multi-agent systems where all of the sub-agents use Haiku. You can see that right here. And so they're using a team of Haiku 4.5s to complete subtasks in parallel. So if you're a person who really likes messing with multi-agent systems inside of Letta, please give it a shot and put up whatever you get up to inside of our Discord. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day.